How old are you?
I'm 25.
You look younger.
Thanks, I get that a lot.
My internet is so slow today.
Mine too. Maybe there's a problem.
Did you sleep well last night?
No, I stayed up too late.
What were you doing?
Watching a movie. I couldn't stop.
Have you seen Leo lately?
No, not for a while.
I think he's been busy with work.
Yeah, maybe we should call him.
Did you buy anything today?
Yes, I got a new jacket.
Nice. Was it expensive?
No, it was on sale.
Why are you learning English?
For work and travel.
That's great. You're doing well.
Thanks, I'm trying my best.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Is he older or younger?
He's younger than me.
Are you free after work?
Yes, why?
Want to grab dinner together?
Sounds great.
Where do you work?
I work at a supermarket.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's not bad. The people are nice.
It's really hot today.
Yeah, I'm sweating already.
Want to get some ice cream?
Great idea.
What did you have for lunch?
I had noodles and vegetables.
Was it good?
Yes, homemade and tasty.
Did you do anything fun this weekend?
Yes, I went hiking.
Nice. Where?
In the mountains near here.
Your phone looks new.
Yeah, I just got it yesterday.
What kind is it?
It's a Samsung Galaxy.
Can you clean your room, please?
Okay, I'll do it now.
Don't forget to take out the trash too.
Got it.
Did you watch that new show?
Yes, it was really funny.
What's it about?
A group of friends in a small town.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Me too. With lots of cheese.
And pepperoni.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What time is it?
It's 4:30.
Thanks. I have a meeting at 5.
You still have time.
What time did you wake up today?
At 6:30.
That's early.
I wanted to go for a walk.
Do we need anything from the store?
Yes, we need milk and eggs.
Should I get some bread too?
Good idea. We're almost out.
Do you exercise often?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
That's great.
It helps me feel better and sleep well.
Any plans for Saturday?
Yes, I'm going to visit my grandma.
That's nice. Where does she live?
Just outside the city.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I read every night.
When's your birthday?
It's next week, on the 12th.
Nice. Are you doing anything special?
Just dinner with family.
You don't look so good.
I think I have a fever.
Did you take any medicine?
Not yet. I'll get some later.
Have you seen any good movies lately?
I watched a comedy last night.
Was it funny?
Super funny. I laughed the whole time.
What do you want to do next year?
I want to learn to drive.
That's a good goal.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Can we take a short break?
Yeah, I need one too.
Let's grab some coffee.
Good idea.
Are you going to Maya's party?
Yes, I got the invite yesterday.
What time does it start?
At 7 p.m.
Can you help me with this word?
Sure, what does it say?
Schedule. How do you say it?
It's a schedule in American English.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like painting.
Cool. What do you paint?
Mostly landscapes and flowers.
Are you going to the gym today?
Yes, after work.
What's for dinner tonight?
Spaghetti and salad.
Yum. Can I help?
Sure, you can cut the tomatoes.
What do we need to do today?
Clean the kitchen and do laundry.
Anything else?
Pick up groceries.
Did you bring lunch today?
Yes, just a sandwich.
I forgot mine.
Want to share? I have extra.
What do you like to do?
I like jogging and yoga.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!